Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you one of our favorite lathes ever come out of any manufacturing facility. This is a Mori Seiki engine lathe. It's a 22 by 60, meaning you have 22 inches from your chuck to your bed by 60 inches distance between centers. Really, really heavy duty. If you take a look at everything here, this is how I judge when we're personally buying a machine to make sure that it's good for you guys, is we look around here, make sure if there's any major chip marks, any major dings or damage, but you can see all the chips, everybody took really good care of it. The ways are in really nice, clean, solid condition, no major scoring or anything. If you look at the bed here, this is what makes the Mori Seiki so strong. This thing is cast and absolutely as heavy as possible. Every piece on this machine, including the handles, are even heavy duty. Now, we've got it in low mode right now. We'll go ahead and show you a few different things here. First thing I'll show you is our foot brake. You can see we're off now. What I'm going to do is go ahead and move this into the high mode. Now we have our chuck spinning a little bit faster. You can see our threading right here is moving quicker, and we have our feeds going. That's going to let us go ahead and move our carriage. First thing I'll do is I'll push this threading engaged, and now you can see our carriage moving. And of course you can choose all your threading down here. Here's all your charts, different thread types. It's also got a little thread dial right here to help you know exactly where you're at. We'll turn that guy off, and we're going to put on our feed system. Now you can see our longitudinal feed is moving. We'll bring this down out, and you have our cross feed. Now, depending on the size of part that you're trying to make, if you need something with a gap bed lathe, where the gap would come out here and you could swing something abnormally weird on one side and long on the other, or if you're doing some really big diameter parts in the middle, we just have to find the right lathe for you. There's a lot of different ones available. You can see we have a lot of other lathes here. A lot of them are going to be similar to this Mori Seiki. This is kind of the one that everybody copied off of because they knew this was the best heavy duty lathe around, and all the imports started to copy off of it. So you'll see some of the other ones, like this Cadillac right here, is going to look really similar to it just because it's a great copy. And they're a great company too. Just depends on what you're looking for, what size capacity you need. Let us know how we can help you out. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.